Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, Demolition Doubles, Cliff Starbirds, Monster VETTE versus Bigfoot. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, the first time ever the Monster VETTE has ever come out as a die-cast toy. Very old school monster truck. It comes with Bigfoot, the original monster truck. This toy has been out many times in the singles packs. Right there on the left hand side we do have a nice picture of the Monster VETTE as a cartoonish style coming across here on the front of the card, which is very nice. And then on the other side is Bigfoot. Now Bigfoot, that really looks like a cartoonish style drawing of Bigfoot. I remember Monster VETTE being on Return of the Monster Trucks, a VHS, and it was actually on television. So let me go ahead and get that real quick. So here is the VHS tape of Return of the Monster Trucks that I just mentioned. Experience 60 minutes of ultimate crushing power, thundering action, and monster truck mania. And you can see there it says Bigfoot USA #1, Monster VETTE, and there's many more monster trucks. I also wanted to mention that I remember seeing Monster VETTE in this VHS entitled Monster Madness, The Ultimate Battle, United States Hot Rod Association VHS. Here is now on the back of the card. There's Cliff Starbird, Monster VETTE. It doesn't give us any details or anything about the trucks, and same thing about Bigfoot, but still a nice one. And then down below, the other trucks in the Demolition Doubles packs that are newer in this series. So, according to monstertruck.fandom.com, Monster VETTE is a 1984 Corvette monster truck. So let's go ahead and unbox this. What I did was I unboxed the trucks off camera, and we'll bring them in here real shortly, but I just wanted to save this card backing since it's a very cool one. So you get a little bit more detail of seeing the trucks on the card, a little bit more than having the trucks in the package. So let's go ahead and check out the trucks. Let's start off with the original monster truck, Bigfoot. We all know that he's been in the lineup for the Hot Wheels monster trucks. We'll bring it up here close and in style here with Bigfoot, the original monster truck. Very nicely detailed and everything for a die-cast body of Bigfoot. It would be interesting what Spin Master would do with Bigfoot, but this is very nice to have Bigfoot back in the Hot Wheels lineup. Let's go ahead and bring in the first time ever that Cliff Starbird's Monster VETTE has been a die-cast toy to be able to collect. Wow, check this out. I really enjoy how they have those rings to take the space of where you would be able to see inside the wheel, and so it looks very nicely on the toy. They did a very nice job like that. You really needed to have that as for Monster VETTE, because like it is in real life back in the day. And so here it is. They have the monster truck logo and Hot Wheels logo on the back here. The owner's name up above, and then Monster VETTE down below. The chassis is black. The motor is in the back also, but I do believe the real truck, the motor was in the front. So you see a black chassis there, and then the roll cage, I don't even see a roll cage inside just because of how they made this. In the front, does it have lights on, like kind of like more detail? Would have been nice to have some lights in the front area for the truck. But let's go ahead now to the other side of the truck. There we go. of course it's the same. I mean, and then in the back, that's what it looks like in the back. And then I'll just tip this up, and you see the windshield in the back, and you can kind of see inside and see the motor. So coming around to the side where we started from, very nicely detailed, especially if you like the old school monster trucks. You have to really be able to pick this up as a collectible to add to your collection. So thank you for tuning in to this Demolition Doubles 2-pack of Monster Vette and Bigfoot. Hopefully you enjoyed this review. Thank you for tuning in.